In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Temu tracking number easily and efficiently. Whether you're waiting for a new gadget or those amazing shoes you ordered, knowing how to track your package is essential to stay updated on its journey. We're here to make this process as simple as possible and walk you through each step clearly. To start, open up your internet browser and head over to the Temu website. This is where the magic begins, as you need to be online to access your account and check on your shipments. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll see an option that says Sign in, Register. Give that a click, it'll take you to the login page. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in using your credentials. But if you're new to Temu, you'll need to register with your email address. Just follow the prompts to set up your account. It's quick and easy, and signing in is your gateway to tracking your orders. Once logged in, you'll want to navigate to your account profile. Again, this can be found in the top right corner. It's your personal dashboard where all the details of your orders are stored. On this page, look for the Your Order section. It's where we'll be heading next to find the specific shipping info you're after. In the Your Order section, there is a tab labeled Shipped, which you should click. This spot provides a comprehensive overview of all the orders that have already left the warehouse and are on their way to your doorstep. Locate the particular order you wish to track, and when you find it, there's a handy Track button right there waiting for you. Clicking the Track button will take you to a page dedicated to that order. Here, right at the top, you'll see your tracking number prominently displayed. You can easily copy this number for use later. It's your key to unlocking more details about where your package is and when it will arrive. Now that you have your tracking number, there's even more you can do. You can leverage third-party tracking websites like Ship24 or 17Track. These platforms allow you to enter your Temu tracking number and receive detailed updates from multiple couriers around the globe. This is particularly useful if your order bounces between various logistics companies during its journey. And there you have it. You've successfully discovered how to access your Temu tracking number without a hitch. Remember, keeping tabs on your shipment is a great way to manage your expectations and ensure you're home to receive your package as soon as it arrives. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing exactly where your order is at any given moment. Thanks for following along and happy tracking.